How to use advanced feature in Netflix. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use advanced feature in Netflix. So Netflix advanced feature includes settings, a viewing restriction for our profile, downloading titles for offline viewing, using Netflix Moment to create and share video clips, and enabling features like spiral audio and HDR. On supported device, you could manage these settings and more like data uses and account access through your Netflix account settings as well. So basically, Netflix offers several advanced features, including a personalized recommendation. So first of all, you could do with a profile management, that is transfer a profile. When a user with a profile on your account moves to their subscription, they can transfer the profile to a new or an existing account. This gives them a viewing history, recommendation, and settings as well. And in order to initiate a transfer over to your profile icon, select transfer profile and follow the instructions. You may need to enable the feature in your account settings as well. So these are some of the advanced features Netflix provide. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.